And here we are again.
Yeah.
What do you have this time, Sammy?
Kinder Surprise Steelbook, Mickey Mouse and Friends.
Yes, Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends Kinder Sorpresa, which means Kinder Surprise, of course.
Yeah, and
That's some new stuff, yeah?
Yeah, I think Barbie.
It's Barbie. I think it's more like Wings, my favorite friend, yeah? That's some new stuff. Okay.
And that's the...
Yes, Kinder Surprise, Kinder Sorpresa eggs. Okay.
So broken eggs.
Broken? Oh, yes. Or melted. Let's see. Yes, we have 6 eggs. Yeah, they are totally broken, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's open some stuff, Sammy, huh? Let's see. The girlish stuff first. Wings. Ooh!
It's 2 broken so that, yeah?
Mm-hmm. And what you get there, Sammy?
A ring.
A ring. Oh, that's nice. Can I see?
Yeah, but it's for guys.
Yes, we found the ring. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, but some guys.
For girls, of course, but it's nice.
Yeah, only rings.
Only rings?
Yeah, you'll see.
Actually, you can find only rings. So I presume in this one and that one, we're going to find rings.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Pity?
Yeah, pretty.
Okay.
A ring.
That's cool. That's cool. Different one.
And the last one.
The last one, but last from the wings, yeah?
Yeah. It's not too broken, so that, but pretty broken.
Yes. Another ring, I guess, yeah?
Yeah.
So that's the rings we found. These are the same, yeah? And now we have 3 Kinder Surprise eggs.
Yeah. Kinder Bueno Surprise Joy.
What? Kinder Bueno Surprise Joy?
I see the egg.
Yes.
Yellow.
Yellow, yeah, so probably we cannot find there any Disney Mickeys.
And French.
What you get there? Rio too?
No.
It is from Mickey, Sammy. That's cool. Actually, it's not from Mickey's, but it's cool.
That's something new.
Something new, yeah? And here we have a guy. He's a football player.
That's some new collection.
New collection, yeah. We never seen this collection before, yeah? And that's the ball, you see? Pick. Kicking like this. Something like that, anyway.
Okay.
Yes, Sammy's ready for another egg. Yellow again, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's
Alligator.
Yeah. But you have it before or not?
I think we had some alligator, but not sure if this one. Okay, I think we had this one. Crocodilus. And that's our alligator. Yeah. Yep.
And the last one, I think.
The last one.
I think the Mickey Mouse and Friends.
It must be Mickey Mouse and Friends, Sammy.
Yeah. Oh, look!
Must be. I don't see another option. Yeah, so we have Mickey Mouse and Friends.
Yeah, big cows.
Okay. Which guy you have?
Daisy.
What?
Daisy.
Daisy! That's the figure we just found. Daisy from Disney Mickey Mouse and Friends.
Yeah.
Okay. So check the toys we found. A football player, 3 rings, alligator, and Daisy.
Yeah.
And that's all for today.
Right.
Please subscribe, stay in touch. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, and subscribe.